Hello dear students, welcome back to the channel. Actually a small apology from my side. Yesterday कल क्या मैंने सम्स करे थे ना, उसमें प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी एडिटर की वजह से. एडिटिंग गलत हो चुकी थी. जो 10th सम था वो वापस से रिपीट किया गया हुआ था. वो लास्ट में किया है. ओके, उसकी क्लिप अलग से ज्वाइन हो गई है. ठीक है, so please take it into consideration. A small mistake, sorry from my side. और अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे सम नंबर 13 से लिख के 16 तक सॉल्व करेंगे जो सिमिलर हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड गेट बैक टू वर्क. So the total surface area of a right circular cone of slant height 20 centimeter is 384 pi centimeter square. Calculate its radius in centimeters and its volume in centimeter cube, leaving the answer in terms of pi. So what you have got to do over here is you have to write simply given. ये तो हमेशा रोज बताने वाली प्रैक्टिस हो गई है. ये लिखोगे तो अपना इजी हो जाएगा. स्लांट हाइट दी हुई है, मतलब L दिया हुआ है 20 सेंटीमीटर्स और क्या दिया है, टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज इक्वल टू 384 पाई सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ TSA is equal to, very good, pi r L plus r. Okay, so here 384 दिया है और pi करना है पता, sorry r पता करना है. L is 20. See, this is a bit different sum, so I didn't do it yesterday because ये जो है लीनियर इक्वेशन फॉर्म फैक्टर्स लेके फिर फैक्टराइजेशन करके फिर फॉर्म होगा. ठीक है, तो 384 पाई है, सॉरी ये यहाँ पे मेंशन करा है इन्होंने, तो ये पाई जो है ये इसके साथ चला जाएगा. ठीक है, तो क्या आ जाएगा 384 इज इक्वल टू 20r प्लस r स्क्वायर. सो इट कम्स इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ r स्क्वायर प्लस 20r minus 384 is equal to 0. So you have got to factorize 384. 384 को किस प्रकार फैक्टराइज करेंगे ताकि हमें 20r आए. 2 1s 2 9s 18 2 2s. ओके, 2 9s 18 2 6 12. 2 3s 2 4s 8 2 8s 16. 2 24s 2 12s 2 6 2 3s and 3 1s. You got to factorize such that after you get on multiplication, आपको भी पता है मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट होगा और फर्स्ट और लास्ट टर्म जो है उसका जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके आंसर आएगा उसको स्प्लिट करेंगे हम लोग और माइनस करके सबट्रैक्ट करके 20r आना चाहिए. तो उसके फैक्टर्स स्प्लिट करते हैं जब हम, तो क्या आ जाएगा r स्क्वायर प्लस 32r माइनस 12r माइनस 384 इज इक्वल टू 0. So r plus 32 minus 12 r plus 32 is equal to 0. r plus 32 r minus 12 is equal to 0. r is equal to minus 32 or r is equal to 12. So it cannot be negative. So the answer is, radius here will be considered as 12 centimeters. Now finding L square is equal to r square plus h square. अब height find करेंगे हम, तो 20 square the whole square is equal to 12 the whole square plus h the whole square. 400 144 plus h square 400 minus 144 is equal to h square. Will give you 256 6. Finding square root, h will become 16. Simply, we'll calculate the volume. 1 over 3 pi into r square into h. 1 over 3 pi, you have to leave the answer in terms of pi, so we won't put the value of pi into this. Your r square is 12 into 12 into 16. 3 ones, 3 fours. Okay, it's made our calculation even more easier. The 768 pi centimeter cube. Therefore, volume is calculated is equal to 768 pi centimeter cube is the answer. You've calculated the radius, which was asked first, and we've calculated the volume as well. Number 14, the total surface area of a right circular cone of slant height. See here also the same thing in the 13th sum as we have done. Given L is equal to 13 centimeters and total surface area is given 90 pi centimeter square. So according to the formula, TSA is equal to pi r L plus r. 90 pi is equal to pi r 13 plus r. Pi gets cancelled with pi. 90 is equal to 13 r plus r square. R square plus 13r minus 90 is equal to 0. We'll factorize 90 in such a way. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 3 1s, 3 15s, 3 5s and 5 15s. So how we get the factors? Suppose karo 2 5s is 10. No. 2 3 5 3 is 15. 15 and 6. No. 3 3 9. I'm factorizing 2 3 3 5. We get 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 8 minus 5 is 13, right? So factors क्या हैं? R square plus 18r minus 5r minus 90 is equal to 0. R plus 18 minus 5r plus 18 is equal to 0. R plus 18 and r minus 5 is equal to 0. R is equal to minus 18 or r is equal to 5. See, it cannot be minus, radius cannot be minus, therefore radius what we have got is 5 centimeters. They've asked in your first answer is calculated over here. So the second answer is we are supposed to find the volume. Volume is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h. We need the height also, so we'll find the slant height is given, so we'll find the L square first. L square is equal to r square plus h square. L square will be, L square is given to you, that is 13. The whole square is equal to 5 the whole square plus h square. 169 is equal to 25 plus h square. 169 minus 25 is equal to h square. 144 is equal to h square. So h is equal to 12 centimeters. This is going to be your height, which makes the expression even more easier in calculation. 1 over 3 into pi. We are supposed to take pi as 3.1416 into r square is given to you as 5 the whole square into h as 12. So 3 1s and 3 4s. will give you 3.1416 into 25 into 4, 3.1416 into 100. सिंपली दो निकल जाएंगे, 314.16 centimeter. Right angle triangle with sides 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters is revolved about the side 8 centimeters. Find the volume of the reduced cone to that of the original cone. So what happens is we take, it's a right angled triangle, okay, with the sides 8 centimeter, 6 centimeters, sorry, and 10 centimeters. So this is the cone from the 8 centimeter sides. It will form a cone, right? So it is a reduced shape. What we'll get is we'll assume all the things. Let A, B, C be the right angled triangle with AB is equal to 8 centimeters, BC is equal to 6 centimeters and AC is equal to 10 centimeters. Therefore, R is equal to BC, that is the radius, is equal to 6 centimeters. Height is AB. Height is AB 8 centimeters. So we'll calculate the volume. Similarly, we'll calculate first for the volume, we'll calculate L square, the slant height, is equal to R square plus H square, which will give you L square is what? R square is given as 6 plus 8, 36 plus 64. L square will be 100. L will be, the slant height will be 10 centimeters. Okay. Volume is equal to 1 over 3 pi r. Volume will be 1 over 3 pi r square h. 1 over 3 into 3.14 into 6 into 6 into 8. 3 ones and 3 twos. On calculating, we get 301.44 centimeter cube. This is going to be the volume. So you have to calculate the total CSC also, that is the curved surface area, is equal to pi r L is equal to 3.14 into 6 into 10 will give you 188.4 centimeter square. This will be your curved surface area. Okay. Coming on to sum number 16, if the radius of the base of a circular cone is halved, that is usko half kar dete hain, keeping the height same, what is the ratio of the volume of the reduced cone to that of the original cone? The volume of the reduced cone to that of the original cone, वो find करना है. Okay. So volume given, it is halved. Okay. Given volume is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h is equal to 1 over 3 into pi into half. See, the radius is halved, so square into h. So we get 1 over 12 pi h. So Original volume, we know this is always volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square. So the original volume is 1/3 into pi into 1. Okay, it will be 1/3 pi. So volume reduced is equal to over volume original cone will give you 1/12 into pi into h, 1/3 into pi into h. Pi gets cancelled, pi h, 3 1s and 3 4s. So it will give you 1:4. Okay. Okay, with this ratio which we found of the 16th sum, हम एंड करते हैं और 17th और 18th सम कल करेंगे और साथ में शायद 18.3 के भी 2-3 सम्स करेंगे. फॉर श्योर we'll try our level best and try to complete the chapter. Bye, have a nice day.